Baden Baden is a spa town in the state of Baden Württemberg, southwestern Germany, at the northwestern border of the Black Forest mountain range on the small river Oss, 10 kilometers east of the Rhine, the border with France, and 40 kilometers northeast of Strasbourg, France. In 2021, the town became part of the transitional UNESCO World Heritage Site under the name Great Spa Towns of Europe because of its famous spas and architecture that exemplifies the popularity of spa towns in Europe in the 18th through 20th centuries. The town is a major tourist destination in its own right. The natural setting on the edge of the Black Forest has attracted the rich and famous for centuries. Baden Baden is also a good choice for those looking for a base to explore the northern part of the Black Forest. Within the town, most attractions can be reached on foot or by local bus, and you will not need a car to explore the town. However, if you are planning to use Baden Baden as a base to explore the Black Forest, then having your own car is highly recommended because public transport within the wider Black Forest region is extremely limited. Baden Baden is a popular destination for those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, but there is much more to do in this charming town than just spa treatments. From wandering around the historic old town, hitting the shops, or getting into nature, there's lots to do in Baden Baden. Whether you visit Baden Baden for a day or stay for several, it is a great addition to your Black Forest itinerary. So let's take a look at the best things to see and do in Baden Baden. So from exploring historic sites to indulging in fine dining, there is something for everyone. One of the top things to do in Baden Baden is to visit the famous Friedrich Bad. This Roman-Irish bathhouse offers a unique and luxurious experience with a range of hot and cold baths, steam rooms, and relaxation areas. The Caracalla Therme, with its many indoor and outdoor pools and spa facilities, is also a popular choice for those who prefer a more modern spa experience. Strolling around Baden Baden's Old Town or Altstadt is a great way to soak up the charm of this historic spa town. Above the busy pedestrian precinct of the town sits the narrow alleyways, cobbled streets, decorative fountains, and beautiful architecture of the old town. Here, you'll find exclusive wine shops, crafts shops, and jewelry designers. When you're ready for a break, enjoy the lunch in the scenic marketplace and watch the world go by. So getting lost in the little streets of the old town is a great way to spend an hour or so, and a must-to-do when visiting Baden Baden. A feature of Baden Baden is its beautiful parks and gardens, which can offer a beautiful, peaceful diversion from the crowds of tourists in the old town. The most popular park in Baden Baden is the Lichtenthaler Allee, a lovely avenue lined with trees, flowers, and sculptures. Visitors can take a slow stroll through the park along the Oss River or rent a bike for a more extensive look at the area. Lichtenthaler Allee is a riverside promenade through green parkland in the center of Baden Baden. The pretty paved walkway is lined with trees and seasonal flower beds, with benches to sit and enjoy the ambience. A walk through Lichtenthaler Allee is a nice way to spend an hour in Baden Baden and is a beautiful stroll at any time of the year. Indeed, the city is fusing a highly contemporary lifestyle with a deeply rooted history. It could be a home away from home with beautiful panoramic views surrounded by vineyards in the Black Forest. It is a safe place to escape from the stress of modern life and recharge one's batteries. Baden Baden is a truly enchanting place exuding class and sophistication at every turn. It is a destination not to be missed by any traveler, as they will leave feeling deeply satisfied and relaxed, at the same time replenished and inspired within body and soul. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!